Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Windows 10 freezing issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type Task Manager, click and open it. Search for Windows Explorer, right click, click on Restart. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type Edit Power Plan, click and open it. Click on Change Advanced Settings, expand PCI Express, expand Link State Power Management, turn off all settings, click on OK. Method 3. Click on Start, click on Settings, search for Apps and Features, click on Startup, disable all these startup. Method 4. Click on this PC, click on Local Disk C, right click, click on Properties, click on Tools, click on Check, click on Scan Drive and let it scan. That's it. Thanks for watching.